Friday workshop. Friday workshops, many things, but things, so we're doing the workshop. This week, we're doing a top 5 video on safety protective equipment. So, here we go. Number 1 is protective wear. You gotta wear your eye glasses or goggles. Protect your eyes when you're woodworking. You keep the sawdust out. You keep all the debris that gets off from your project. Keep it out of your eyes. You don't get splinters flying in your eyes. You don't get anything that you work on flying up in your eyes. Protect them, and it's always good to keep your eyes in good condition. So on to number 2. Number 2 is hearing protection. Right here we have our headphones. We put them on. They're just earmuffs that block off all noise when you are using loud tools when you're woodworking, especially when we're sawing or cutting anything. It can be very loud, and having something on to protect your ears can help prevent hearing damage, as prolonged listening to these loud, powerful tools with your ears can lead to hearing damage and problems with your ears. So it's always good to have these on whenever you're using loud tools. So, on to number 3.
Number 3 is a Dusk Mask. Dusk masks are really useful as they help protect your lungs when you're cutting or sanding, as dust can go flying up and it keeps your lungs in good condition, and you can breathe really well and easily in these ones as they just pump the air out the sides. Really nice, but if you don't have one of these, it's also good to have any sort of mask protecting your face, protecting your lungs, keeping you in good condition. So on to number 4.
Number 4 is a good quality set of gloves. They're really useful when you're staining with chemicals, or whether you are using mineral spirits or whatever you're doing, because it protects your hands and it protects you from whatever dangerous chemicals or whatever stain you're using. You'll get all over your hands. They're really nice. When you're picking out gloves, you want to make sure that you get a lot of movement with your fingers, and you still have all your dexterity in your fingers whenever you work on a project. So on to number 5. Number 5 is to wear closed-toed shoes. Shoes are really effective in helping you from slipping on sawdust or hitting your toe against something that's really hard, or just stabbing your foot on something in general. When you're wearing like flip-flops, or if you're barefoot, you can get stuff in your feet and you can walk all over, little wood chips, get splinters in your feet. A bunch of problems can arise, so it's good to always be wearing shoes whenever you're in the shop. So, on to the outro.
Friday workshop. Those are the top 5 pieces of protective equipment that you need when you are woodworking. If you enjoyed this video, check out this one. So, like and subscribe. Yeah!